Hi guys, what's going on? And yep, you join me for another video at K-Tec Racing. Now the video you've all been waiting for, and so have I, because we're still here at K-Tec Racing today. So in my previous video, I was here with Kat and we shared the announcement of me now being a brand ambassador with K-Tec Racing. Exciting news. I'm very grateful and appreciative of the opportunity that I've been given. But in today's video, the Abarth is going to get a mini transformation here today and I can't wait. Yes, that's right, the Abarth is going to be looking completely different by the end of this video. So we're going to add some styling touches to my car today and we're going to join the team here at K-Tec Racing as they begin to make my car look completely different and less boring for sure. So let me show you what's involved. Okay guys, so Kat is obviously back, that rhymes. So here's the table of goodies, which I'm really excited. We're going to talk you through what my car's having done to it today. So where should we start then? Side stripes?
Should we go with the side stripes?
Yeah. We'll try and hold one of these up. Give that one, yeah, there we go.
So,
talk us through.
We'll see a bit better when it's on the car.
Yeah.
So these are our KTR side stripes. We're not 100% deciding on the colour yet. So obviously you get the pair with it, they're matte black. The Abarth cutout detail, and then obviously our logo there at the front as well. So it'd be nice to see what it looks like on your car, and obviously maybe potentially even get a bit of feedback on what colours people think would be good to have on theirs. Yeah,
because your KTR logo, which obviously stands for K-Tec Racing, is yellow, which is great for my colour with the blue and yellow. But I'm kind of thinking we could maybe add some other colours, couldn't we, to the side stripes, maybe, I don't know, blues, reds, couldn't we?
Yeah.
So guys, let us know in the comments below if you reckon we should do the stripes in a different colour. So it'd be good to hear people's feedback. And you've also made them look like the original Abarth stripes with the kind of, what would you say, the kind of staggered end?
Staggered, yeah.
So they do look original, but yeah, KTR Abarth, obviously representing your company. And we got them, the kind of satin black with the yellow KTR. So yeah, like I said, they'll look completely different on the actual car against the blue. Should we talk about sun strip as well then? We'll try and hold this one up.
So obviously this is the printed sun strip. We do them already for all the Renault cars.
Yeah,
so obviously bringing them out for the Abarth range as well. They're really good quality vinyl. They don't stick on the windscreen wipers. So
I was going to ask you that. Yeah.
So feedback we get on these have obviously been really good.
Like I say, you tried and tested these for years, probably Renault. So
they're probably one of our best sellers, to be fair, for the Renault. So
again, you've got the K-Tec on the yellow there to match your logo. Should we talk about little smaller bits?
Yeah.
So I guess we've got a couple of little KTR stickers. We'll have to find homes for them.
Yeah, you've got to find out where you're going to put them.
And then you've got a boot badge as well, which is pretty cool, again, in the KTR yellow. So that'll just stick onto the boot, I guess. We'll have to find a little home for that.
Yeah, that'll stick straight on the metal there.
So that's kind of exterior-wise, isn't it? We've got the sun strip, side stripes, we've got the little stickers and a boot badge. And then interior-wise, you are doing products, like I said, for the Hyundai ends, and I've already seen you brought out the matte range for them.
Yep.
So yeah, interior matte-wise then.
So this is our interior tailored mats.
They look nice.
Hopefully they're going to look really good, to be fair.
Hopefully they're going to fit. That's what my car's all about.
They're going to be available. Obviously we've got them yellow because that's matching your car. We do red, white, orange, plain black, green, blue, loads of colours, 6 or 7 different colours of these. So
that looks nice. You've got the K-Tec embroidered as well. Like I say, so these can come in different colours then, the kind of outline of it.
Yeah, so it's just the pipe around, it's all grey, matte in the middle, then the pipe around the edge is always the complete choice of whatever colours, but really hard wearing, durable mats as well. So they are really good quality. Do you want to show about the other one as well, which I forgot about this one actually. Oh, it's so exciting. So many bits. So this is our little half boot mats. So again, matching the interior mats, same choices of colours as well with that. So just to ties the car in really nicely as well, and obviously keeps everything tidy in the back.
And then we got all the kind of stickers for the exterior. So I guess what's the preparation then? So I washed my car yesterday. It's been already dried off, it's raining. And the lads are going to stick it up for me, aren't they?
Yeah, so we'll get them to put it around into the workshop, get them to give it a little clean, make sure it's completely dry. And then, we'll get these on the car and see what it looks like.
Yeah, all the stickers lined up. And it is a transformation, isn't it? Like, it's going to look really good.
It's going to look completely different.
Okay, cool. Let's do it then. Let's do it. Sun strip first then, so degreasing it, give it a good old clean.
That is pretty much
So just lining it up now with some masking tape. Definitely glad I'm not doing this, that's for sure. Yeah, it looks really nice. The matte black. My parents have stopped by, so we're just trying to line up the side stripes at the moment. So we're thinking with that kind of placement, but we had to get it doubly confirmed. And then the sun strip is on.
Too big.
Oh, okay, you've got little corners to tuck in.
That's
Yeah, that's right.
Actually.
I like the little bits you can tuck under, that's quite cool. Oh, that's nice.
That's a good fit.
Doesn't that add a nice colour to the boot as well?
Doesn't it?
That's well nice.
Let's take that off. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, because they've done a little cornering bit there to go under that. Yeah. It kind of clips under there a bit, doesn't it?
I think as well, because that's obviously been rolled up. Once that actually flattens down a bit as well.
Yeah. So there we have it. Got to get the KTR logo on my little kind of advertising window, as I call it. So there we have it, proudly on the window now. So this is an all-in-one sun strip printed on. It's just one layer as such, so that is now on. It's really nice actually with the matte as the actual sun strip black colour, and you got the white and also the yellow K-Tec logo, liking the kind of 3-colour combo. Looks really nice. And then we just got a bit of lining up work to do on the side stripes of the car, so I'm not going to be too fussy how the guys line up, to be honest, because I'm just grateful this is all happening. But yeah, I'm sure they're going to look, I mean, they look great already, don't they? Look at that. Oh my goodness, absolutely going to transform the Bath. Okay, so you've just come outside the workshop. Obviously the Abarth is back behind us. We're kind of teasing the car at the moment, but shall we do a walk around and show the guys, well, the transformation really. She's been transformed, didn't she, my little Abarth? So do you like it? Do you like it?
I'm pleased with it.
I like it. I love it, yeah. So let's show you guys what's been happening. Okay, so walk around time then, guys. So on the front of the car, K-Tec have fitted the K-Tec sun strips. This is like an all-in-one kind of print finish. So the yellow and the white looks really nice against a satin kind of matte, just as a one-piece sun strip. Not too much yellow, but the little accents of the yellow and the white just really stands out against the blue of my Abarth. Then the big job that's happened on the side is we now have the KTR Abarth side stickers, so they mimic the original kind of factory Abarth ones, the kind of segregation towards the back. The matte satin black with the yellow highlighting the KTR, obviously saying KTR Abarth. Again, not too much yellow, but the KTR really stands out being yellow, so that looks really, really nice on the side for sure. Then a nice little addition onto the boot, which I really, really like and kind of finishes off the car, is we have this really nice, again, yellow KTR logo on the boot, so a really nice bit of kit that. That's a real nice badge, so yeah, looks great on the rear for sure. Onto the passenger side now, I've got some nice little KTR stickers, so I've stuck one of them here already. And then of course you obviously got the matching side stripe on this side. Yeah, the matte black and the yellow of the KTR, it really sets off against the blue. Okay, so inside the car, K-Tec Racing have supplied me with a matte set in the yellow. So one of the pieces of matte is now inside the boots. We have this lovely big boot mat. What I really like is also we've got the yellow piping on the edge of this one and the beautifully done logo, K-Tec Racing logo, actually embroidered into the carpet. We've got the black carpet. Again, just really adds some colour to what was a dull grey boot, so love that. And on the interior of the car, obviously with the K-Tec Racing mats again, yeah, just really add a nice bit of yellow to the car. K-Tec Racing logo embroidered into them. Oh, yeah, just really sets off the interior. Yeah, and I actually did need some mats, so yeah, full set of matching K-Tec Racing mats. I'm very happy with that. So really happy with the transformation K-Tec Racing have done to my Abarth today. These products are kind of all in development, so you just wanted to make sure they fitted on a Abarth, how they looked. What do you think? How do you think the car looks? Obviously, you haven't really seen the stripes on the car yet, or the sun strip.
Obviously, it's really great to see them now on an Abarth, from going from the sampling stage through to actually seeing them on a car. I think it ties in with your theme of blue and yellow
totally,
as well, so
totally.
it does look really smart.
Yeah.
All these bits, I know you're going to pop the pricing on for people to have a quick look at what they're going to retail at. They're all, by the time this video goes out, most of it will be available online. It's just getting a bit of an opinion on the side stripes, what colours people want to see.
And getting the products out there, innit? Like now they're on my Abarth, it's a showcase for the stripes, the sun strip. So yeah, people like it, they can buy it, can't they?
Exactly.
So yeah, big thanks to you guys and your team who've like it's been a lot of patience to get this site, well, all of the stickers on. It's not easy. So yeah, I don't envy them for doing that job. Yeah, thanks for a great day. We've transformed the Abarth with K-Tec goodies, and we will be back here, won't we, for some more development kind of stuff, goodies. We will, won't we? Yeah, okay, cool. Yeah. Thanks for watching this, guys. Make sure you check out K-Tec socials and website in the description to this video, and we'll see you in another one. Thanks again.